Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Quantitative Methods. Which statement about hypothesis testing is most accurate? A. The power of a test is the probability of rejecting a true null hypothesis. B. A type 1 error occurs when the null hypothesis is true, but it is rejected. C. The significance level, alpha, is the probability of failing to reject a false null hypothesis. D. None of the above. Answer is B. A type 1 error occurs when the null hypothesis is true, but it is rejected. Which portfolio is optimal based on Roy's safety-first criterion? A. Portfolio D is optimal because it has the lowest standard deviation and safety-first ratio 0.4818. B. Portfolio C is optimal with about 30% probability of return falling below shortfall. C. Portfolio A is optimal with highest expected return and safety-first ratio 0.5125. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Portfolio C is the optimal choice, with approximately 30% chance of return below shortfall. What is the closest variance of the two asset portfolio given weights, STD deviations, and correlation? A. 0.01665. B. 0.01980. C. 0.02295. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Portfolio variance is calculated as 0.02295 using the full formula, including covariance. Why do analysts discount the contingent claim value at maturity to its present value in bootstrap simulation? A. To ensure simulated value matches true population parameters, correcting sampling errors. B. To convert future claim value to present equivalence, reflecting time value of money. C. To incorporate statistical uncertainty from random draws in simulation. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Discounting converts future value to present value accounting for time value of money. What is the sampling method where the population is divided into subgroups and random samples are drawn from each? A. Simple random sampling. B. Stratified random sampling. C. Cluster sampling. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Stratified random sampling divides the population into strata, then samples randomly within each. A fundamental characteristic of the null hypothesis is that it represents the A. Conclusion the researcher is attempting to support. B. Statement assumed to be true throughout the testing process. C. Range of values indicating a statistically significant result. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Null hypothesis is presumed to be true for testing purposes. With a p-value of 0.065 and significance level 0.05, what should be concluded about the null hypothesis? A. Reject H. B. Fail to reject H. C. The population mean is 0.065. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Since p-value is greater than significance level, do not reject the null hypothesis. What core assumption does the efficient market hypothesis make about market participants? A. They are prone to systematic behavioral biases. B. They react slowly and incompletely to new information. C. They are rational and process information quickly and accurately. D. None of the above. Answer is C. EMH assumes participants are rational and efficiently process information. Which statement best describes key principle underlying portfolio diversification? A. Diversification is most effective when assets have high expected returns. B. Primary benefit arises from perfectly positively correlated asset returns. C. Effective diversification combines assets with low or negative correlations to reduce risk. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Diversification reduces risk by mixing assets with low or negative correlations. During a global market downturn, what is most likely to happen to correlation between asset class returns? A. Decrease, leading to greater diversification benefits. B. Increase, leading to reduced diversification benefits. C. Remain unchanged, reflecting fundamental relationships. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Correlations tend to increase during market stress, reducing diversification benefits. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BISP Trainings.